Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we're bringing you the unboxing video of the CUAV PMU Lite Power Management Module. The PMU Lite is a power management module designed specifically for unmanned system devices. It is equipped with an STM32H5 processor, running CUAV's self-developed M4C architecture software. Using the ITT3 temperature impedance tracking algorithm, it can accurately measure voltage and current in real time. The module supports a wide input voltage range of 20V to 70V and can measure currents up to 220A. The PMU Lite is available in two output versions: 15V version, 15V6A output, 5V version, 5.2V7A output. Both support the CAN bus communication protocol, allowing easy integration with a variety of flight control systems. In terms of compatibility, the 15V version can be directly used with the CUAV X25 EVO controller, with the system's PMU Lite configuration enabled by default. Simply plug and play. The 5V version is suitable for Pixhawk V6X or X7 series controllers, also without the need for additional setup. For other controllers, the PMU Lite can be connected via the CAN interface by wiring CAN H and CAN L to the CAN port, and connecting the red and black power lines to the power port VCC GND pins. Power module configuration can also be completed through the LGC ground station. The PMU Lite is compact in size, measuring 57.25, 32.25, 17.5 millimeters, with a cable length of 50 centimeters, and weighs about 222 grams. It operates reliably in a wide temperature range from -20 degrees Celsius to +80 degrees Celsius. The product features an aerospace-grade aluminum alloy shell filled with high thermal conductivity silicone, providing excellent heat dissipation and ensuring stable and reliable operation even under high loads. It also comes with AWG8 heavy gauge cables and QS8 connectors, effectively reducing heat generation and improving system safety. Each PMU Lite undergoes precise factory calibration, ensuring ±0.05V voltage accuracy and ±0.1A current accuracy. It is ready to use out of the box with no additional calibration required. Overall, the CUAV PMU Lite delivers high measurement precision, wide voltage input, excellent heat dissipation, and a plug-and-play design, offering a safe, reliable, and accurate power management solution for unmanned systems. Package includes PMU Lite 1, Flight Controller Power Cable 1, That concludes our unboxing of the CUAV PMU Lite. If you'd like to learn more about unmanned system accessories and performance tests, don't forget to subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.